Now again, let me copy these lines of code and let me again create the code block here. And on the top of this graph, what I'll do is I will add one more layer. What layer could be added here? So the layer what I'm going to add is plus geom underscore point size is equal to 3. I'm adding the point on the top of the line, and let me call this function again. So the function call goes like this, okay? The function call. So now the function call is, I'm adding the code block function call I'm doing. I'm re-executing the updated code. So here is a problem we have, and here also we had a problem. Okay, now re-execute the code, and this function call I'm again doing. In order to apparently see the changes what has been done, let me decrease the line size to 1 and point size to 3. Let it be as the way it is. Re-execute this thing and re-execute the function call. Here you can see we have added the visual points here. Okay, geom underscore point, geom underscore line, and you can even play with alpha, what we have done 0.3 in the previous execution. The transparency of this particular points gets decreased, and you can see the background of it. This couple of different additions to the basic things also you can do as and when you progress. So we have added the point here. So we are incrementally defining the function plot time series. Let me copy this plot time series function and again add the code block here to improve it. So code block, I have added plot time series is the function we are improving. The last part of the plot time series is the labs, right? Labs, right? So labs will help us to define the title x-axis, title of the graph, x-axis label, y-axis label. So title I am mapping, anyhow we are getting the title here. The hard-coded title is air passengers trend data analysis from 1949 to 1960. Title is equal to title. Okay. X lab, X is equal to, what should be the title of the, or the label of the x-axis, right? So the label of the x-axis is going to be date. Okay, the label of the y-axis is going to be what? Number of passengers. And the color also I can define, color of the legend also I can define. Color is year, right? Color is year. Now I have added the ggplot basic. On the top of that I have added the line, I have added the points, and I'm trying to add the title of the graph along with x and y axis labels along with the color. Now let me recall this particular function. This function goes like this. So the function, so I'm again calling this particular function. I'm adding the code block, call the function. So execute this block which is updated. We have problem here in this block. We have forgot to add this comma. We have executed this block, and I'm re-executing this particular block because to see the updated title of the graph, air passengers trend analysis from 1949 to 1960, number of passengers, date, and the title for this particular legend we have updated. So layer on layer incrementally we are making this graph very beautiful. I'm very excited.